User-defined feature. With user-defined feature in ZW3D 2019, designers can customize and reuse a set of features. ZW3D provides a wizard to create a user-defined feature. From Insert menu to Features, then you can access to user-defined feature functions. First, give a feature name. You could add the description or change the library folder if required. Then, select the features you want to reuse. Next, define the editable expressions. You could rename them to get a better understanding. Then, you can view and reorder all necessary references. The last is the summary information. Click Finish. A new UDF is created. You can preview it in the Reused library. Next, let's reuse it. Directly drag and drop it to the graphic window. Then, set the references and define the editable expressions if necessary. You can leave some references blank if you want ZW3D to make the decision. The UDF can be redefined as a group, or it can be exploded. This option makes the design work more flexible and productive. Let me show several different cases. Set the company logo as a UDF. Then, you could reuse it on every product to reduce the repetitive operations. You can place a support frame between vertical plates with one single UDF to ease structure design jobs. Or you may need a UDF to finish edge band design quickly. To summarize, with user-defined feature, ZW3D 2019 makes your daily design work more productive.